Healthy juice. Grape juice. In a blender, put together the grapes, lemon juice, honey, and lemon-infused water. I suggest at least 1 hour to infuse the water and a maximum of 4 hours to avoid bitterness from the peel of lemon. Blend it. Kiwifruit juice. Slice kiwi fruit. Lemon juice. Pure honey. Lemon-infused water. Blend, blend, blend! Muscovado sugar. Blend again. Watermelon juice. Diced watermelon. Lemon juice. Pure honey. Lemon-infused water. Blend, blend, blend! Mango juice. Sliced mango. Lemon juice. Pure honey. Lemon-infused water. Blend, blend, blend! Transfer juice in a nice glass. Ready to drink? Stay healthy! Do you like it? Make this button blue.
So delicious! Like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow and like us on Instagram and Facebook at AnnJoyable TV for new posts. Para happy you, happy me, happy tayo! Salamat! Thank you for watching!